The NIO Day 2021 on the 18th of December, NIO will host one of its largest catalytic events, which the firm announced on the NIO app in mid-October. Suzhou, a city west of Shanghai between the provinces of Zhejiang and Jiangsu, is said to have a large number of NIO users and was chosen as this year's location after NIO users voted on the company's app. Stay tuned as we have a few mind-blowing facts about NIO throughout the video. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more valuable content. In today's video, we're going to have a look into how NIO will hit the $40 mark by the end of the big event. Please note that nothing mentioned in this video should be seen as financial advice. We're bullish on NIO as of right now, but a lot of things can change over the coming years and can bring a lot of variations. So don't rush into our recommendations. There's always the risk of losing money by investing in the stock market. With that being said, let's get back. In the future, electric vehicles will be the primary means of transportation. Many car companies have started to develop their own electric vehicle ranges. Tesla has a competitive advantage in the electric vehicle business because it was the first company to do so. When a product category is still in its early phases of adoption, companies are still fighting for market supremacy. NIO is one of those businesses that has made a decision. The theme of the 2021 popular event, according to NIO, will be Hello World, which refers to responding to the ever-changing world with an open and welcoming mind. The event will also include the most recent updates on the company's product pipeline, according to the company. This is a significant event because NIO investors expect it to help turn around the fortunes of the company's shares, which have been in a decline for the most part of the year. The announcements made during NIO Day 2020, which was held on January 9th this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, drove the stock to an all-time high of $66.99 on January 11th, and because of this, investors are paying close attention to this event. Electric vehicles and charging stations are mutually beneficial. The greater the number of electric vehicle owners, the more charging stations are needed. The more charging stations that are built, the more people are eager to buy electric cars. NIO will have to adapt to the increasing power demands of its consumers. In terms of electric vehicle power networks, NIO has a large number of charging stations in China, whereas Tesla had to build much of the charging infrastructure in the US from scratch. Rather than building more charging stations, NIO is focusing on partnerships, including a collaboration with their local rival, XPeng. Instead of developing new charging stations, NIO is focusing on partnerships because China already has a large amount of charging infrastructure that is growing every year. NIO revealed that it had completed the installation of its 700th battery swap station in China, exceeding its revised yearly target of 700, which was previously 500 stations by the end of 2021. According to the Chinese company, the network has executed over 5.3 million battery swaps, up from 4 million as of September 29, 2021. According to NIO, each station presently has 258 NIO cars on the road, and over 42% of NIO drivers live within 3 kilometers of a battery swap station. Long-term success for NIO will be determined by its ability to gain a significant part of the EV market while boosting earnings and expanding beyond China. NIO now outsources vehicle production, which is advantageous in the short term but not long term. Because they outsourced production in the short term, they were able to expand so quickly. The two main ways in which NIO makes money are through vehicle sales and service packages. Car sales have been losing money for the time being, but service packages include battery replacement. This is where they genuinely shine in comparison to the rest of the electric vehicle markets. Their battery subscription service allows them to save thousands of dollars on their vehicle expenses. More electric vehicle owners will contact NIO as a result of this. Further looking at the chart, we see that the stock market appears to be breaking out of what traders refer to as a pennant pattern. If the company is unable to retake this support level, the price may continue to fall. NIO stock is currently trading below the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. This reflects bearish sentiment, and each of these moving averages could act as a future point of resistance. The relative strength index has been falling in recent weeks, and it now stands at $34. This indicates that sellers have complete control of the stock, with selling pressure much outnumbering purchasing demand. In a pennant formation, NIO shares appear to be dropping below the pattern support. Because the stock was unable to create higher lows, this is an indication that bearish traders may be gaining control of the stock. Bulls are aiming for the stock to retake the support level and maintain it above it once more. With continued success, NIO is going to be one of the most successful companies in the world, and we're absolutely positive that NIO stock has great potential and will reach greater heights in the year 2022. According to WalletInvestor.com, if you're searching for a solid return on your investment, NIO Inc. could be an excellent choice. As of the 16th of December, NIO Inc.'s stock price is $30.790 US. The NIO stock price estimate for December 2026 is $140.032 US, based on our forecast of long-term growth. The revenue is estimated to be roughly plus 354.8% after a 5-year investment. In 2026, your current $100 investment may be worth $454.8. Total sales for the fourth quarter is likely to range between $1.45 billion and $1.57 billion, falling short of market forecasts of $1.74 billion. During the fourth quarter, vehicle deliveries were predicted to be between 23,500 and 25,500 units, marking a 4.4% decline quarter-over-quarter at the lower end of the range. Continued supply chain volatilities are expected in the fourth quarter, according to NIO CEO William Lee Bin, who added that our teams and our partners are working closely together to ensure supply and production for the fourth quarter of 2021. According to MarketBeat's NIO stock forecast, the consensus price objective for the next 12 months is $65.90 as of the 14th of December. The highest target was $87, while the lowest was $45. According to the average of 16 experts, the stock's rating is still a buy. 13 of them have buy ratings, while 3 have hold recommendations. When looking for NIO stock predictions, keep in mind that analysis projections are subject to error. Analysis forecasts are based on a thorough examination of a stock's fundamental and technical characteristics. Past results are no guarantee of future outcomes. NIO on November 25th stated that it had reached a strategic agreement with Shell to jointly build and operate battery charging and swapping facilities. The first objective is to expand battery switching stations in China by 2025, with pilot stations being built and operated in Europe beginning in 2022. So there you have it, and with that, we've come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you found this video inspiring and want to see much more, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more updates. Leave a comment below on what you think about NIO stock. This will help us learn your take on it and improve our understanding. As you know, learning is a mutual process.